Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're inside of the cab of a Western Star 47X, and this video will apply to any Western Star 47X newer model or a Freightliner Plus model. And today we're going to be going over some of the wiring locations and bodybuilder connections in the middle of the cab on the back wall. So the way we wire these cabs is a lot different than any other of our trucks. So we have what's called a 29 pin and a 47 pin connector right here that's plugged in. In a Freightliner, you will not see this panel. You will have just these plugs right in the middle of your cab, and the rest of these components that I'll show you in a second are actually behind the seat. But today, with this being a Western Star 47X, we've got this big panel and these two pins and connectors here. So all of our PTO bodybuilder functions run through these two plugs. PTO functions, speed control, RPM plus minus, stuff like that. So if you are having issues with RPM control or anything with PTO related issue, and you've already worked through issues in your terminal box, control panel, checked all that out first, the next place to come is in your cab here. And what you can do is these are just twist off connectors. You can unplug these. You can look at these two connectors here, inspect for any loose pins, loose wires, or anything like that. And you can also check the side that's plugged into the truck. And you can actually remove this entire panel with the 4 thumb screws, which I've already done. If you look in here, we have quite a few computer modules, so you can see the other side of these wiring things here. Another thing to look for in these trucks is this engine stop relay right here. If this relay ever goes bad, or if any of these wires pull out or anything like that, your truck will not run. So if you're having issues with that, with the key not even cranking over or anything like that, and you suspect it to be an electronic wiring issue, this is one place you can check for that. And also please note, if this relay is not installed in the truck, your truck will not start. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.